it's Vicki Norris of Restoring Order. You know, for almost 2 decades, our order restorers have been helping people to reclaim their lives here in the Northwest, at home and at work. But it has been bugging me that I haven't had a way to help you if you live outside the Northwest to get your life back. And so I have created something just for you. It's called the Life Reclaimist series. It's an online set of courses that will help you reclaim your household, your work, your health, and your spirit. They're easy downloads from our website. They come with worksheets and activations. And you know, I have been so passionate all these years about helping people not just get organized, but get back what matters most. Because after all, if the relationships and the culture of your home is a hot mess, or in your work, you don't even know what you're supposed to be doing and you're striving after the wrong things, or if your health is a mess, you don't have anything, and if your internal world is in turmoil, then you can't enjoy what you've been given. And so this Life Reclaimist series, I believe, is going to change your life. And you'll be joining a family of life reclaimists all around the nation that are taking back their life together. So go out, get the Life Reclaimist series, and join us in reclaiming your life.